Hold the name, Mr. Ratno.
Okay, I check your booking. Yes, you book a standard single room for 2 nights, right?
Yes, that's right.
I have your ID card, please.
Sure, here it is.
Thank you, Mr. Arno. Everything look good. Here is your room key. Your room number is 20.
Alright, thank you.
Mr. Arno, enjoy your stay at Oyo Sunset Hotel. If you need help, please call number 0.